Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install iOS 18 on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Before downloading new software, it is good idea to back up your device to make sure that you have a copy of your important information. Here you will see the check compatibility option. These are the compatible phones of iOS 18. iOS 18 is compatible with the following iPhone models. These are the models as you can see on the screen, like iPhone 16, iPhone 15, iPhone 14 and another models as you can see on the screen. When you download the latest version of iOS, your data and settings remain unchanged. Update iPhone automatically. To turn on automatic updates, go to settings, then go to journal, then go to software updates, then go to automatic updates. Turn on iOS updates below automatically install and automatically download. When an update is available, iPhone downloads and install the update while charging and connecting to Wi-Fi. You are noticed before an update is installed. To turn off automatic updates, go to settings, then go to journal, then go to software updates, then go to automatic updates. This is the manual method to update and install the iOS setting. To check for and install software updates, go to settings, then go to journal, then go to software updates and learn how to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest version of iOS or iPad's OS. The screen shows the currently installed version of iOS and whether an update is available. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.